Yeah, well, I mean, the process of getting the credit all the way through to the transcript, it's really just a sequence that the filing team follows. Obviously, there's a lot of complexities that go with it in the day-to-day and actually how they action that. But I mean, really, the high-level workflow is that they firstly have to identify that the member's signature actually created the credit, so that's sort of evidencing that it exists there. And then it moves to a corrective filing. So what they will do is they have a specialist dedicated software that is set up by the ERO officer, this tax preparer that uses the dedicated software to file the 1099 OID. And what that does is it identifies the specific bank or institution that is the nominee, which is basically a middleman that has captured and is using that credit. And the OID submission is then initially accepted at that level. And then it goes into the IRS system. And then what that effectively does is it then gets run through the IRS's 810 algorithm, and it cross-references that particular identified bank and their 945 module form that they have to submit to make sure that it all aligns. So when the OID goes in with it has a QSIP or an LEI, which is what the bank institution is matched up with. And if everything in the IRS is all matched and all aligned, then the credit is validated. And that's when the transcript then occurs, and that's where the change and the update happens effectively. That information populates on your wage and tax transcript.